So we are back, but with a different act this time. So the turning valve, officially what to call it. I haven't met the bride, so we're gonna meet you, but it's through a bride of mine. Apparently drives a B20 non-tech. I'm not sure what it is. If it's a Ballard or a Civic. And apparently there's a TDI also. But yeah, I'm gonna see if we get the runs in. Since we haven't tested this car yet. Water is weak, so it's not gonna be a late one. Not too many pulls also, you know how it can be on the streets. It's a risky business, but yeah. I just checked all the wheels. Actually found one wheel that's a bit too loose, so I'm glad I checked no wheels. And we're also gonna get to test out the new steering wheel, man. Yeah, this thing is beautiful. I can't believe how lekker this thing looks. So yeah, we're gonna be heading somewhere. I'm not gonna say where, but yeah, we're gonna be on our way now. Let's see what the 20 can do. There we go, cleared up now. I think that amount of juice should do the trick, you know. And besides that, then the rest is some like a weight reduction on this car. Yeah, my brother was waiting. I can't get over the steering wheel, guys. Yo! But yeah, let's go and do this. I'm sure this is the moment you guys all been waiting for. We're getting some seat time in here.
Oh, blue shorts. Sorry, bruh.
Nou sien jy die kak van privates. Nou moet ek wag vir hulle. Waar is die manne? So we pulled up now, Tony is here. We got the TDI also apparently stock. Stage 2 map, but everything else is stock. And we got the what is this B20 non-tech and a B20 non-tech Civic. I think me and the B20 non-Civic is gonna go up first to see where we at. A quick garage race. I'll meet you at the light, boys. We're gonna make a U-turn here. We're gonna go up and come down. We don't have a U-turn. Go up and come down. was the end of the racing for the night, even though I got my ass handed to me. But there were a few things that I picked up since I got some seat time. Got some heavy wheel up on the line also, so definitely some new tires. And then yeah, from here we're going to, yeah, then we ended up at some course. I can't remember now. No, it was in Brooklyn at some high school. Can't remember the name of the show, but yeah, I'm just gonna play a few clips of the rev off, and then yeah, my cars in the end. I'll play my rev off at the end. I got up against I think the E30 multivalve. But yeah, enjoy the rev off, guys.
Let's see everybody do man. Eddie, make some noise if you think this man is taking something. Make some noise if you think this man is taking something. Okay, let's see the OG. So what do you see on this one over here? Het klinkt bij je balancing. Let's try one more time. For this guy over here, make some noise. Come on, make some noise. Who can this one over here? Come on.
That's wala beans, man. Wala beans, man.
Let's see the Corolla boy. Make some noise.
Wala beans, bro. That's beans.
Extra tayo yung karon. As I'm film. Anyway, it's like a good morning here in the dark for now, for the moment. Shout out to Mr. Corolla, shout out to the team. Well done to the sports. Shout out to you guys. Thank you guys for the later, bro. Okay, wala kang later po, no? Wala si subscribe po sa data list isa. Wala yung Sukon, Jazilan, Scoot.
Winner must stay on, man.
Where's our next one?
Winner play on.
Okay, big one. Six of it. Right now, let's go. We are going to new trumpet. You can say, boys, let's come on. I'm not saying I'm not good. I say the trumpet. It's a attack one million. It's a no, the man who can't chance the ring. I'll give back there, Bisa. It's full props. Rato, is all ready? You have a nice time. You have a nice time. But you have a cycle. As a team, but break the teammates. You guys are a water. Rato, it's ready. Right now, for the ball, raise the ball. Right a smoke machine and a trumpet and alles. Wat zijn we dan doen? Naar geruis? Wat zijn we doen? Naar geruis? Naar geruis? Wat zijn we doen? Kom eens vanuit met viewers weer zijn. Right, okay, hindi naman sila sa buhay mo. Nakakarasos, nakakawaya, don't trap. Dat is zoals die prima. Sa loob pa na video guys. Sobrang sa bitching demonstration. So, nice. Okay, so alles in geschreven vandaag op net met die because die kaart is op alles geschreven. So weer like eerste diploma, tweede diploma van die drum krijg, derde diploma van die oude, ik is die kleine. Okay, so dus en bij alles vandaag. Kijk, die mensen die met diplomas, allemaal staan op het terug en dan zie je die kaart komen met de heat system zien ze. De branding on fire is een gevaarlijk. Ze staan terug. Hij brandt ook en dan kan het te raken. Het was dringend het moeilijk terug naar de workshop. Right, so that is guys in lab on us. Our team was represented. That says the body and it represents it. So wait, what's it then? Pranam. Wisdom, how you doing? What you say? What you be working with? Who represents it? A solo? Stop planning now. I say any man. It's a Toyota. So it's like you open the man in so many people. If you're ready, the interiors look sleek, look neat. The man is going to be so. Because the only thing is after the car is main city. Kyle, the money about this guy. The money about this guy. You want to go get that money? Ito naman ni Bima, nalagyan mo ni Bima, ang ni Bima na, wala sa bitsin. Malapit! Ama dinamik trumpets. Burası bir yere yalanı. Sen bir yere en dinamik trumpet ise. Right. Bunlarla seçelim. And the positions kilometer.
Yeah guys, that's it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment down below, and drop that subscribe and hit that button. Cheers.